What's up, beautiful people? It's your man Benjamin from OhepoGraphics, and today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to design the EndSARS Twitter emoji on Coreldraw. So just like we all know, some days back Twitter has been on fire. In fact, it's still on fire, but some days back now the CEO of Twitter, Dorsey, released the EndSARS Twitter emoji, to show his own support to the EndSARS protest. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm going to be designing this same emoji using Coreldraw. And the good thing is I'm just using 5 tools on Coreldraw. Okay, so the tools are the B-spline tool, the contour tool, the 2-point line tool, the smart fill tool, and the artistic media tool. So I'm going to use these 5 tools to design these emoji. So without wasting much time, I'm going to turn my camera right now. Alright, so I'm on my desktop now. So what I'll do is to launch the Coreldraw application. So this is flashing. We just wait for it to load the application window for us to start. Alright, so here is the welcome screen. So what we'll do is just to click on new document, and here we can just give it a name. So you can just EndSARS emoji. Okay, we just give it a name. So we'll leave the color mode as RGB. So every other thing, just leave it. So paper size A4. So you just leave everything and just click OK. So it's going. So this is a application window for us now. So my approach was the design of the EndSARS Twitter emoji. First of all, I had a rough sketch of the emoji. So I just did it on paper, a pen on paper sketch, and I had a scan of it and I moved it to my system. So this is the picture. I'm going to move it to Coreldraw. So click and drag. So when you're seeing this plus sign, you just let go. So the picture is big, so we just have to zoom out and rotate it. So we just give it 90 by 90. So we flip it. Alright, I'll flip it again. So to give that orientation that we want. So we just resize and ensure it's fitted to the page. Okay, so we'll now get the dimension of our chest. What we'll just do now is to lock the image. So you just right click to see the menu, and you click on lock. So for if you can do your sketch, I'm going to make the sketch available for you to use as a practice. So that I'm going to leave the link as well in the description, so you can get access to the link and download the sketch if you want to make use of it as in the practice. So what we have locked our image right now. So what we'll do is just to pick the B-spline tool. So pick the B-spline tool. So what we are doing, we are going to create an outline, okay, of our sketch. Okay. So at some point I'm going to make the videos very fast to save us time. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to create outline of the sketches, so sit back. So we'll just save. So we have created the outline. We'll just save our document. We'll just save it in Coreldraw format. Okay, so with our outline created, what we'll do right now is to pick the artistic media tool. So this is the artistic media tool here. So pick it, and what we'll do is just to select our lines. So with this line set, we'll just go and choose an artistic media tool. That's this one. So we just increase the width. So you can see how it works. So we can look for a perfect width for the calligraphy stroke. I think 1.262 is fine. So we'll choose this. We'll also do the same. 1.262 is fine, as well this. So we are done with our outline. So let's just unlock and see how our image looks like. So it's fine. So we can just make this other side a little bit thick. Let's just add another extra line of extra line here. Fine. Alright, so we are done with our sketch. We can probably do away with it now. Okay, so we just have to choose this So we'll choose our contour tool. Make it outward. Choose So finally we'll just remove our outline. So select or remove our outline, and that is how we design our EndSARS Twitter emoji. So guys, that's how we design the EndSARS Twitter emoji. So let me know in the comment section if you found it very difficult in following my procedures, or you have any challenges trying to design the emoji. And also the good news I have for you guys that I'll be printing this emoji on snapback and shirt like what I'm wearing. So if you're interested, just indicate in this comment section below and I'll tell you what to do to get one for yourself. So ensure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.